Hi, I'm Jane Donato Dempsey from Butterfly Pathways to Soaring Success. You probably have seen some of my other videos, but I think that this is going to be exciting. At least I hope so. So we're coming to Thanksgiving, and we say it's a day to cheat. And we say, no, let's get some options here. So the biggest thing that I teach, and BeCancer.org teaches too, is food as medicine. That's so important. What we put in our bodies makes our bodies work the best in the world or the worst in the world. So it's a process of every single day, but now it's Thanksgiving and you feel, let's cheat. So I have some ideas for you, because it's a choice, but let me tell you about the cranberry sauce that I make. Very different. I came up with the recipe myself. My sons actually get crazy because I just make things up myself, but that's okay. And so I want to tell you and teach you what I do. So we are going to make homemade cranberry sauce, not like in a can with all the sugars, but with organic apple juice, organic cranberries, and apricots. So here we have organic cranberries. And here we have organic applesauce. And we also have apricots, dried apricots. So what are we going to do with this concoction? Well, we are going to put them in a pan, and I hope you could see that pan bubbling up right now. Let's see, did I make that bubble up? Well, let's look at this one. We have two of them going at one time. So let's look at this one. This is bubbling up, and it's going to get all kinds of softened up. And then once it is, we stick it in a blender and we make homemade cranberry sauce. And it is delicious. It is, white sugar free. Yes, it has natural sugars in it, but that's different. That metabolizes differently in our bodies. So this is a choice, and I hope that maybe you make it. And I know you're saying, well, what are the measurements of that and this? And it also makes my sons crazy. I don't know. I don't do measurements. So I have 2 pots going, and I had 4 bags of organic cranberries and 4 boxes of dried apricots and an entire bottle of organic apple juice, 64 ounces, and a little more for the other pot. So basically, you put everything together, put the juice till a little bit over the top, let it cook down until it's soft, and then let it cool. Gotta let it cool, and then stick it in a blender, and voila, we have wonderful, healthy cranberry sauce. Now, the other thing is even healthier that I would suggest. What's more important in this whole wide world is the love of our family. So today, every day, especially on Thanksgiving, give your family a hug and tell them how much you love them and appreciate them. Now, happy Thanksgiving to you. And if I can help you as a holistic cancer coach to prevent cancer or to deal with cancer, or cancer coach, relationship coach, or spiritual coach, I'm here for you. So please give me a call if you'd like, 856-229-0888, or Jane Dempsey, JaneDempsey, at butterflypathways.com. So I hope to hear from you soon, but I also hope more that you enjoy this video and see if you would like to do it. So when I post it on YouTube, let me know what you think. In the meantime, happy Thanksgiving and have a blessed day today. Bye for now.